Good morning everyone and welcome to another cook-off. But I tell you why this one is so exciting is because we've got some great challenges on, I tell you. We've got some great companies, we've got some great schools, we've got some great churches, we've got some great everything. We just remember one thing and one thing importantly, when you do cook, it's your lunch today, so cook well. You've got to eat it as well.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children, we are the one to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. Oh, there's a choice we're making, we're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall. Well, learn to realize, oh, that a change can only come when we stand together as one. We are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter.
Hi, I'm Piani from Iwisa, Premier Foods. We're here, we're cooking for the community, for underprivileged people, and we're giving back, and it feels great to do so. I got my team here, Snowflake, Blue Ribbon, every brand from Premier Foods. We hope you enjoy the food.
Hey, I'm Ida Michelle and we're here from Sing Project Records. It's an amazing opportunity for us to be here, and it's incredible that we are all here together as a team and we're cooking for a community, and we are so excited to go deliver the meals to the kids and the elderly later today.
We are Sing Project, so it can be better, and if you cannot hear us, you have to let us have it. We are Sing Project, so it can be better.
Hi, my name is Christine. I'm the senior caregiver at Reuven Old Age Home. This is my team that works with me. We do a lot of functions, anything that happens at Reuven. My ladies come in, they prepare the hall, They will do the cooking, and a lot of my work could not be done without the help of these beautiful ladies here. And I absolutely love what I'm doing. It's such a pleasure to be able to make a difference, to actually go out there, deliver the food, and see what difference you make, and see the look on their faces that this is like a meal that they could never ever afford. And for me, it is the most rewarding emotion to make a difference and just to love people and to feed the needy and help the powerless. Thank you.
Hi guys, we're from the New Apostolic Church South East Africa, and these ladies come from Vosloorus, from the West Rand and also from the East Rand, and we've given up our time freely to make a difference. We're very blessed in what we have, and we also do this in support of the greater good.
Today has really been an honor for the Premier team to come and cook for the less fortunate at the Meals on Wheels Distribution Centre. We are very excited to see where our monthly donations go to, and we're very excited to have our brand managers here, our admin assistants, our graduates, our head of risk is also here today. So we're very privileged and honoured to be part of this team building today. I think we've got awesome team spirit, and go Meals on Wheels! Yes.
Yeah, the most African heart, so much so, the Lord said you had to depart, and now she's in a place perfect for her. I'd be grateful to become half the person